Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jay from Coding with Jaybird, where I upload weekly tutorials to help build your confidence in coding. As you can tell from my voice, I've somehow managed to get sick just in time for the holidays. That's okay, it happens. It's been a rough week, but I really wanted to get this video out for my viewers. I'll keep it as short and sweet as possible. Today we'll be learning about JavaScript's document object model, also known as the DOM. Here's a diagram that'll help clarify things as we go along. The document object is simply an object that's created by the browser for every new HTML page that's viewed. JavaScript allows us to change the document structure, style, and content that we see on a web page with the use of many properties and methods. This makes our web pages more user-friendly and interactive. For example, if we wanted a photo gallery or form model to pop up once a user clicked on a button, we can do this with JavaScript by simply manipulating the DOM. Now, the DOM represents the document as nodes and objects. Each document is made up of structured nodes. So in this diagram, we can see that the body tag is a node. This root element, or the HTML element here, is also a node. And at the very top, we have the document object itself. Now, within this body element, or body node, we have three other child nodes, which is the H1 element, the P element, and the O element. The H1 element has a text node as its child node, and the value of it is DOM tutorial. Similarly, this P tag, or this node here, has a child node which has the text equivalent of what is the DOM. The OL element here is a little different because it has two child nodes within it, and then each child node has its own child text node with just list item inside of it. By having the ability to target and access each specific node on a web page, we're able to write scripts that can add, remove, or change these nodes in the DOM. This is what's called DOM manipulation, and we'll get into that in our next tutorial. If you enjoyed today's video tutorial, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so I can continue to make more videos for you each week. I want to wish everyone a safe and happy holiday season. I hope you all get to spend some quality time with your family and loved ones. Until next week, keep on coding.